Welcome to Talk World. New night, new food, new joy. Thanks so much. Some viewers is stumbling upon my channel, and hopefully you guys enjoy. Today, I made shrimp kimchi pancake and dipping sauce. So I'll explain a little bit about the dipping sauce and then how you make it. This is very easy to follow. This is obviously shrimp kimchi pancake. So one bowl of shrimp. I cut the tail parts so I don't have to take tail out and stuff like that, so easier. And then 1 cup of flour and 1 cup of water, and it's a shrimp. Yeah, I put the shrimp, 1 cup shrimp, 1 cup of kimchi, 1 cup of flour, and 1 cup of water. And then I used the mixing bowl for Korean style. Any mixing bowl you just put together and mix it, and then place it here with the 3 spoons of vegetable oil. And then you, once the right time is kind of grilling, and then you put it in top of that. And for upper part of the pancake, you gotta cook. So I use the lid, and once you're done, you just use the this and flip it, flip. So okay, and then you put the lid back on and cook. Well done, right? And then this sauce is really easy to make it. So how I do, 2 spoons of soy sauce, 1 spoon of vinegar, and 1 spoon of saseme seed. And I like the sweetness, so 1 spoon of honey. And you mix in the bowl, and this is how it looks like. Sauce, okay? And then let's get the taste of it. Sauce is really good. Holy cow! I forgot my chopstick. Just a moment. I'm back. This is one of my favorite chopsticks. This one has what's that? 4 leaves clover inside. I don't know, you can see or not, but the 4 leaves of clover. Kind of lucky. And then this is stainless steel. Korean love to use the steel chopstick. That's their. I grew up with that. I didn't grow up with the bamboo chopstick or plastic chopsticks. I grew up with this strong metal. Korean love metal. This is stainless steel. Okay, let's see. This is, you can see the shrimp. I cut the tail part, so it's easy to eat, right? And then this is a kimchi. So let's see, kimchi pancake with the kimchi and shrimp and together. And I'll show you right. Oh, I touched the hot thing. Okay, right there. And then you just dip it in the sauce. Man. Mmm. It is different than just regular simple kimchi pancake or beef pancake. This is a shrimp pancake. It's a tastes like a shrimp, right? Simple, plain and simple. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, shrimp is really soft. If you like shrimp, you should make a shrimp kimchi pancake. I mean, this is amazing. This is so good. But with the dipping sauce, perfect combination. Oh, oh, so good, so good. Oh, the bottom is really crunchy. Upper part soft. Mm. Oh, so good. This one is temperature hot, so I need some water. Oh, today is another busy day, but I'm happy that I'm alive and eating, right? So a lot of people, it's not healthy. So let's keep healthy and good healthy food, and then be positive and be happy no matter what. You know, eat some good food. If you have a downtime, oh, oh, eat some good food. Get the energy back, man. Shrimp kimchi pancake is way different than beef kimchi pancake. Way different. Mm. Man, in my life, the first time I had a dream meal all related to pancake, kimchi pancake, beef kimchi pancake, shrimp kimchi pancake. Wow. Okay, today is a blasting with the pancake today. Holy cow. Mm. I'm grateful At least I have a food to eat, right? I'm praying that those people who lack of food hopefully get something and somebody can help, right? So we may help too. Actually, every month I try to help the humanitarian thing, so they can get some food and stuff like that, right? Helping hand, helping hand. Mm. Donation is always good, good, good thing, good thing to do. We all somehow leg of something. So when you donate something, you get more. And also, when you donate something, somebody gonna get help. Mm. Definitely, pancake is one of my comfort food. Makes me feel good. Feel good. I'll leave some one here. Mm. Oh, shrimp, kimchi pancake is gone. Why? Because the taste good. See you next time. See you soon. It's Tap Word.